Hello everyone. I hope you all are safe and healthy. As a part of an international FDP on environment and sustainability, I, Unnati Shah, from Computer Engineering Department CKPCT, will introduce some of the basic concepts of computer networks and the impact of computer networks devices on an environment. It is a brief awareness about the impact of such devices that we use in a computer networks on environment. Can you imagine your life without friends? Can you imagine the photos or edited pics without Facebook tagging or likes? Can you imagine your life interesting without LAN gamings or such a things? So life without friends is boring. Photos without Facebook tagging is colorless. Beating a friend on a LAN gaming is just awesome, and we love to follow film star stories. This will make our life interesting, energetic, and more lively. Nowadays, we use in our life or day-to-day life that Facebook, Google, WhatsApp, Make My Trip, YouTube. We cannot even imagine our life without such a things. So network means what? When we have more than one computers connected together, or we can access the data anywhere, and it will make the data handy. That is what the networks is about. So application of networks are resource sharing, information sharing, communication, remote computing. We can access our data from anywhere at any time, and distributed processing. So here in the slide we can see the basic structure of a network. We can have a different type of network like mobile network, home network, enterprise network. We have a local or regional ISP. ISP is an internet service provider, and national or global ISP. We can see in this figure that we have a different devices used or to form a network. You can see these different devices. We have a tower, we have a mobile phone, we have laptops, we have routers, we have modules. So we have different network devices. You can see here the range of different types of devices that is used to form a network like host, server, mobile, laptops, routers, switches, modems, base station, smartphones, cell phone towers, etc. We as a human being are very blessed. We feel very blessed using this technology. We make our life very colorful, interesting, thrilled using such a technology. Nowadays, our mindset are set up in such a way that we frequently change these devices. Whenever new technology comes into the market, we just refuse whatever we are using and we used to use the new technology, new mobile phones, new laptops, new version. But have you ever thought that what happened to the used devices? We never thought of. We just enjoy whatever we have in our hand. But there is a time, or this is the time to think of, because there is a black side of it. So we are moving to that black side. Now you just see here that this is what our aim to discuss. What is this? The waste electronic devices. These are the electronic goods that have come to the end of their useful life, including computers, monitors, routers, cables, printers, fax machine, mobile phones, and many more electronic devices. Do you ever think that how dangerous, horrible it to the environment? Toxic materials such as lead, zinc, nickel, flame, chromium that are used in computers and other electronics. If released into the atmosphere, specifically with lead, it can cause damage to human blood, kidneys, and peripheral nervous systems. When such a e-waste warms up, toxic chemicals are released into the ambient damaging environment. Even when electronic waste is thrown away in landfills, its toxic material flow into the groundwater, which affects both land and sea animals. You feel amazed and even shocked that according to the 2017 Global Waste Monitor, India produces around 2 million tons. Again, I am repeating 2 million tons of e-waste annually and ranks fifth among the countries producing e-waste following the USA, China, Japan and Germany. E-waste has a horrible impact on the ecosystem. Used computer equipments can be reused, resold, saved, recycled or disposed of. However, just 20% of e-waste is recycled worldwide. Because India is a highly deficient in precious mineral resources, while untreated e-waste goes to the landfill, there is a need for a well-planned, controlled e-waste recovery scheme which would generate jobs as well as the wealth. All hard drives are destroyed and certificates of destruction in compliance with Department of Defense security standards are provided. It is important to give your e-waste to certified recycling facility. So still there is a need for the further research. And finally, I would like to conclude this dark situation of such a devices on an environment as an investment is not an investment if it is destroy our planet. Thank you so much.